guys, I'm Dr. JD here again. In today's video, my mate David showed me how to make a fire extinguisher bracket for drill school. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it.
I've got ourselves, it's reasonably
Thin. Yeah, okay.
But it's thin like steel.
Yeah.
So I think, well, that's all we've got. So we're going to work it out where it's going to, what size it needs to be.
Yep.
We're going to bend up something like that.
Yep.
With the two holes.
Okay.
I don't know what that's going to end up, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
And we'll put some speed holes in it.
Yeah.
And then later, when we get the car,
Yeah.
we'll work out, you know, where this has got to be.
Yep.
Both sides, because we know they're like different levels.
Yeah, true.
Might have two holes there. Part first.
Yep.
Because we know it's got to mount a fire extinguisher.
Mm.
And then later, we'll worry about the ends, and we'll get that when we get the car, and we'll TIG weld all that.
Yep. So we're just gonna make that main bracket first.
We're going to make this first piece.
Yep.
So the fire extinguishers there might be something like that.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be huge.
No, it doesn't. So let's put a line there.
Yep.
There we go. And we get a roughly parallel top for now.
Mm.
So again, if I eyeball that, roughly. Let's say finishes about there.
Yep. Cool.
Get cut off. So we can just guess this height.
Yep.
Let's say 25. I also wanted to angle like both ways.
Yep.
So, and again, I don't know what that's going to be yet. Unfortunately, we don't have the car, but so this would come like that
Yep.
shape, yeah?
Yes.
And then that's your line, yeah. Of my,
Oh, the bracket.
yeah.
Good.
So,
Cool. We're gonna use that.
That's that tight.
Huh. That is so cool.
Isn't that much better? Just on the inside of that line.
Yep.
And,
The reason why you do it.
it's just a visual indication. So
Yeah.
when I'm cutting, I don't have to think about what line, where it's going to go.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
clear. The way you can find the center of
Yeah.
this is we know it's about 110.
Yep.
So I can go to 55. Put a mark on that side. And on that side. So we know between those two lines is perfect centre.
Mm.
So again. So now we've got perfect centre.
Huh.
Without measuring anything. Top tip. So there it is. Okay.
Two seconds later.
Another one. Oh, look at that.
Nailed it.
So what is this again?
Hydrochloric acid.
So basically stomach acid.
Yeah. Did that get hot? Oops.
No. Anyway.
Oops, I think too hot.
What happened?
I made a hole. Yay!
You fixed the hole.